Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to position the camera. Thank you guys again for joining me. Today's fun-filled video is all about bath bombs. I love a good bath bomb. I'm addicted to buying them. I'm addicted to using them. They are fantastic. And today I have another 4 bath bombs for you guys. These are the newest bath bombs for November. Great and perfect in time if you want to get some of these as a little stocking filler for Christmas. So the 4 bath bombs I have here are the first one, something a little different. Normally I wouldn't buy handmade bath bombs. I usually buy shop bought bath bombs, but this is a little handmade bath bomb. It's made by Is it Be Beautiful? It's made by Be Beautiful. This is True Blue, and it is a dewberry bath bomb. Super pretty. So that's our handmade bath bomb. We'll check that out shortly. We have a gorgeous bath fizzer block in rose. This is a PS bath bomb. If you guys know your brands, you'll know that this is a Premark bath bomb. This little bath bomb is 100-gram weight of net weight, and it is in the scent rose. I'm so looking forward to this brand new bath bomb. This little bath bomb, super cute, is a cactus. Again, it is a Premark bath bomb. Bath fizzer, they call them, not bath bombs. So these are bath fizzers, and this is in the scent green tea. Super excited about this. 100-gram of net weight, which I think is awesome. These little bath bombs from Premark cost £1 each. This little handmade bath bomb, even though it is much, much smaller, I think this is only a 30 or 40-gram bath bomb. This was £2. If that is a good bath bomb, I'm totally happy to pay that for the bath bomb. And then we have this, it'd be handy if I showed you guys, this gorgeous unicorn bath bomb from Home Bargains. This is an out of the blue fizzy bath bomb. It says, I don't even know what that says, guys. It's in a foreign language, but it is a gorgeous unicorn bath bomb. Look at the different colors. We've got this gorgeous pink going into this beautiful yellow, and then this stunning sky blue. So without waiting anymore, let's go ahead and move in our first little tub of water. Which bath bomb should we do first? Let's do, as we've got 2 Premark ones, let's do a Premark bath bomb. And again, did I bring scissors? I didn't. I really should learn that I need scissors for these types of videos. So I'm going to go ahead and open this bath block. The color of this bath bomb isn't coming through very well, but it is this gorgeous, I'm going to have to get something. It is this gorgeous peach color, and we do have rose petals in it, so that's pretty awesome. Let me try to get this bath bomb opened. Oh my goodness, they really make these things tough to open. And I guess that's pretty good, except for when you're doing a video. It's not very helpful. Okay, I think we've got the bottom of it opened. We'll go ahead and tear the rest of it off. So these are, this little bath bomb is from the newest range that has just hit Premark. I haven't seen these bath bombs, or these bath fizzers, sorry, before. So let's go ahead and look. We do have a little bit of fallout of the rose. That's totally fine. But how gorgeous is that bath bomb? And if you like floral rose scents, you're definitely going to love this bath fizzer. And it is huge. It's a really big bath bomb. Let's pop it into our water and see what we get. Can you hear the fizz from that bath bomb? You can, oh my gosh. That is so amazing. I love Premark bath bombs. You do get this burst of floral scent. You get the punch of the fizz. And it just sprays that rose scent into the air. It is absolutely delightful. Really fragrant, really, the scent very heavily scented. Not overpowering, but you definitely get the scent of the rose. And that fizz is still going. I do love the little rose petals. It makes your bath just that little bit more exuberant, a little bit more decadent. And look at that color. That color is absolutely gorgeous. Would you not want to have this in your bath? Relaxing? I definitely would. That bath bomb is still going. We have got a huge chunk of bath bomb left. So you're not going to have that type of bath bomb that fizzles away right away or doesn't give you that punch that you're expecting out of the bath bomb. This is pretty awesome. I'm loving the rose petals. The fragrance is so, so good. We're still going with this bath bomb. I mean, that is pretty awesome. The smell is delightful. Okay, let's pop this little rose bath fizzer out of the way and we'll just let that fizzle in the background. You guys can just see the tip of it here, and we'll bring in our second little bucket of water. Let's go ahead and put in our handmade bath bomb. So, I mean, I think this is really nicely decorated. It comes in a little case. Our little bath bomb has a tiny bit of glitter. I don't know if you can see the twinkle. There's a little bit. And it has some sort of floral, ingredients, because you can just see them here. I never really knew what dewberry is. I'm assuming it's a flower. This has a really nice, almost fresh linen scent. It's fresh, it's clean, and slightly sweet. Really like this bath bomb. Let's see if we got value for money, and we'll pop it in our water. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Can you hear it? That is an amazing bath bomb. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous color. Look at all of our little floral add-ins. And that bath bomb is still going. Okay. The only thing, I guess, about the bath fizzer was it did dissolve very quickly. But I don't mind that. The scent is beautiful. It is fresh and clean. The color, look at that color. The color of that bath bomb is absolutely gorgeous. And did you see that fizz? Did you see that burst of energy from that bath bomb? That is definitely a thumbs up for me. That is awesome. I'm really, really happy with that bath bomb. As you can see, our little rose bath bomb has now completely gone. We're left with gorgeous little rose petals, and the color is so pretty. I really like that burnt orange color. Okay, the next one. I think we should leave the cactus one to the end, and let's go ahead and open our Home Bargains little bath bomb. Guys, just to let you know, all the bath bombs apart from the handmade bath bomb were £1. I do try to keep it in that price point because I think that's where I'm comfortable buying a bath bomb. I'm definitely comfortable buying a bath bomb at about £1. I mean, I have had Lush bath bombs before, but I've had them as a gift. I do prefer to keep, to only buy bath bombs that are good quality, but are also inexpensive. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that gorgeous bath bomb. And you've even got the embossed eye. They've put a lot of detail into this bath bomb. It is really super pretty. Let me smell. Okay, this is a good bath bomb. This is sweet. Almost cotton candy. Really sweet, really, really nice. I'm just going to pop it directly. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh. We're getting the blue. We're getting that pop of fizz. We love that. You've got the blue blending into the yellow, blending into the pink. This is gorgeous. Look at that bath bomb. You're getting that really nice sweet scent of candy floss. Definitely candy. I don't know so much candy floss, but definitely candy. What I am noticing about this bath bomb though is the color. The color's okay. I mean, I don't mind the color, but I would have preferred a bit more of the pink, maybe the yellow to come through. The blue is a dominant color, so it does generally tend to take over. Oh, I'm loving the fact that the colors go right through the bath bomb. So we're not getting that, you're not getting that top color and then losing everything out. But we've got this green color, probably because of the blue and the yellow. I think the pink has completely faded into the background, but that is perfectly fine. That's a nice wee bath bomb. I like that one. Well worth £1. How many, do we know how much of a bath bomb we're getting, or how much the quantity of product? No, it doesn't say. But I would probably say, sorry guys, it does. That's 100 gram bath bomb. So still on price point, still getting good value for our money. This is gone green, but we've still got a lot of fizz going on in there. So that's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and do our last bath bomb. Green tea. Okay, green tea is something that I don't really drink and that I'm not familiar with that much. I assume that it's going to be a nice fresh scent. We're going to bring in our last little container of water. Let's move these around to make some space. This is such a good bath bomb. It is still going. Let's pop our water right here and let's try and get this bath bomb opened with minimal damage. Okay, again, guys, this is 100 grams of weight. This bath fizzer is in the scent green tea. Let's go ahead and pop it open. I am so clumsy with some of these bath bombs, and sometimes they break, so I'm trying super hard not to break these bath bombs because I want to pop it in all in one. Please don't break. See if we can just pop it over the other arm. Oh my gosh, that was a little hard. So our super cute cactus, whoa, green tea bath fizzer. This has got, I don't know what green tea smells like, to be really honest. But I love the smell of this one. It's fresh, it's clean, it smells really good. Not overpowering. Really nice. Will we go ahead and drop it in? Let's. Whoa. Okay. And this is a bit of a slow burner. We're getting a little bit of fizz. Not as good as the, oh, here we go. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for that bubbles, the fizz, the popping of the scent into the air. This is definitely what we're looking for. This is actually better than I thought it was going to be. Look at that gorgeous color. The color of the water is so pretty. And we've got still a ton of bath bomb left. The smell of green tea is really good. This is such a pretty color. I think out of all, let's pop these here so we can see everything. I think out of all of the bath bombs, this is definitely my favorite color. I love that pastel green. It's really, really nice. The scent, I think my favorite scent is definitely the candy floss, the very sweet one. I do really like these two as well, but definitely the color of this one is gorgeous. The most heavily scented is the rose, so you're going to get a pop, and I mean a pop of floral if you use this bath bomb. My favorite bath bomb, I'm actually leaning more towards the green tea. I love the color. The scent is really clean and fresh. It had a good fizz. Maybe not as good as this one, the handmade one. The dewberry is really nice, but I definitely, my favorite. I'm not, I think the color of this one looks a bit gray and dull. It is a dark green. Maybe not my favorite color, but that's okay. So guys, what did you think of this video? Did you like these bath bombs? Do you like bath bomb videos? Let me know in the comments below, because if you do, I'll keep on doing more and more of these type of videos and show you the comparison from different shops, what quality you're going to get. If you did like this video, smash that thumbs up for me, please. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come join us. We would love to have you here. And if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, hit that notification bell. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you love bath bombs as much as I do, and I hope I give you some inspiration to probably go pick some up. These are four pretty awesome little bath fizzers, and I really hope you enjoyed my video. Guys, take care. Please, please, please stay safe, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.